Have one. That looks thin enough.
So what are we gonna feed Wesley?
This is avocado blended with some breast milk.
It looks yucky.
All he wants is to eat that chair though. Okay. Come here, buddy. Sit up in your chair. I'm gonna eat my high chair. Okay.
He's too little. He's not gonna eat.
What do you think? Let's sit you up a little bit higher. We need a baby spoon. Taste it. What does it taste like? He ate it, right? And he wants more, right? Is that more? Does that mean more?
Now we're gonna have to clean up this poop. This is danger. That's what you're doing.
Oh. You sit up straight, buddy.
He's like, I don't really know what to do with it, but
He seems to like it, right? Am I making that
I
up?
don't even like avocados.
yeah.
His first food is avocado. This is so fun.
It looks more like guacamole.
Well, how do you think? What do you think about that, baby boy?
He's like, I don't know.
Want some more?
You have to change the diapers. I'm not going to.
Oh, from now on?
Yep.
Oh no, this is a bath. We gotta give him a bath after this. What are you thinking about that? Oh, yeah. Whoa, he's eating it.
Now let's give him a pickle.
No.
Oh yeah, some lemon.
You want more?
Too soon for that.
Too soon. You love this. I knew you would like food. He's swallowing it.
You sure?
Yeah. It's not, I mean,
Now he's licking it off of his
he's
bib.
not swallowing all of it, but he's swallowing a lot of it. I mean, it's getting
Well,
everywhere, right?
good, because he's so thin. He needs to bulk up some.
You want some more? Oh my gosh, this is so fun. What do you think about this, buddy? What do you think about this? This is hilarious.
Wow, Wesley, what do you think?
Wesley, you have food all over your face.
What do you think of that guacamole?
Breast milk mole. He likes it.
Yeah. Oh, little gag.
Well, we're getting some of it down the throat.
He's a mess.
Well, that's kind of what happens, I think.
I don't think he needs any more. It's got enough on his face.
Oh my gosh, you guys crack me up.
This is hilarious. Here.
Your first food is stupid avocados.
I love avocados.
I love avocados too. But I didn't always when I was a kid.
Wesley likes them. Sit up straight, buddy.
He doesn't know any better yet.
Yeah, I'm gonna give him lots of stuff. The
Now some ice cream.
ice cream next.
No.
No. Yeah, you can't have any dairy until they're like 1 year old. She said start with vegetables. This isn't a vegetable, but she did say avocado, so that's
She did say avocado, yeah.
things that aren't sweet. What are you thinking? We need to get some baby utensils. Look at he almost ate all this.
Of course he did. Look at him. He's
Want
just
some
storing
more?
him. He's just storing him in those cheeks. He's not really swallowing it. Look, I got plenty of room in here. I'm gonna put it in my cheeks.
Sorry, mommy's getting all over your face, but oh. Are you excited for this? Is this gonna get spit up all over us?
Probably. Maybe more worried I was gonna come out as poop. That's gonna be an adventure.
Wow. Oh, he wants more. So we have to wait 3 days before we can give him
More?
More. Anything else.
Okay.
Because you have to see if they're allergic.
Hoy. Oh. Hoy.
Almost done, bud. And we're gonna clean you up. You gonna eat that now? He ate it all.
You guys are so adorable. You're the most adorable family I've ever met.
Oh, I love you. That's nice of you to say. I think he's pretty great.
I think he's messy.
Ma.
More.
You got green stuff on your face, Wesley.
Uh-oh. Are you done? Get a little more in there. Oh, yeah.
All right, let's clean them off. Well, that was a fun adventure.
That was fun. I'm so